morning, students. Today we are going to continue our lesson. What if it finishes? It's a part 3. Okay. See here in the tabular column they have given the how much oil, scooter, car, tractor. That is how much petrol or diesel can be filled at a time for the scooter, car and tractor. The next one is how far can it go? For 1 liter of petrol or diesel, how many kilometers it can travel? You can find out these things. Here the rates of petrol are different in each city. The rates of petrol and diesel in Delhi are given here. Look at the table and answer the questions which I have asked below. Okay. Here the different rates of the petrol and diesel which is present in Delhi has been given. You can answer that question which has given below on based on this tabular column. Here see the petrol, how much weight they have given for 1 liter in 2002 is 29.91. In 2007 it has been raised to 43.52. In 2014 it has been raised to 67.86. Next diesel rate has been given. So based on this they have been given a question. What is that question means? In 2014 as compared to 2007, the rate of petrol how much went up, how much rupees have been increased. So by minusing these two we can get the amount of rate of increasing. Then rate of diesel increased by, that also we can find out by minusing these two. Okay. Next question. What was the difference in the rates of petrol and diesel from 2000 to 2007 and 2007 to 2014? By using this tabular column, we can find out the rates very easily. On the next page, they have given you the one poster. See, for dry cleaning, these things will be used, and for lightening this one as petrol, diesel or aeroplane fuel, this posters. Next, kerosene and LPG to run machines, for making plastic and paints. So where it can be used, they are asking where I am and all used, these things and all where we use in our daily life, that one they are asking. It's actually, this poster is based on save fuel, make it as a habit, don't waste the fuel. For that purpose only they have given the poster. From this poster what questions they have been asked means, where all oil is used. Okay, where is diesel used? Find out. Divya wrote a poem and read it out to her friends, read and discuss it. Okay, Divya, based on this fuel, that is petrol and diesel, she has written a poem and she was discussing with her friends. What the poem we will read out. I am black, I am thick, I flow, who am I? Do you know? I will last longer if you use me with care. I got made over centuries. I won't always be there. I light your lamps. I cook your food. I run your machines. Fly planes in the sky. Who is more useful to people than I? If not used with care, I won't be always be there. Will they fight over me? What is life without me? I'm black. I'm thick. I flow. Who am I? Do you know? Who am I? About whom she is speaking? She is speaking about the fuels. And if there is no petrol or diesel, what happens? How our city runs, how the vehicles will run. Then you can suggest some ways to save the oil. Look here. Look this picture. By seeing this picture itself, you can come to an idea. They are collecting some chalka. Okay. Durga, see, Durga lives in a village in Haryana. Her name is Durga. She is living in a village. In where means in Haryana. Every day she spends many hours collecting wood for the chalka. For the stove, she have to collect the wood. Then only she can burn and afterwards she can cook her food. Her daughter, Durga near her daughter is there, no? She also helped to her. For the past 3 months, she has a cough. There is a lot of smoke when damp wood is burned. But Durga does not have any other option. When there is not enough money to buy food, where will there be money to buy wood? See, For cooking food, these type of foods only Durga and her daughter will collect and they will cook the food and will eat. But last 3 months she had a cough, so she can't able to collect that wood. uh, but even they are not having the money to buy food itself, then how they can buy the wood? So only she's collecting from the forest that is near to her village. Like this, have you ever collected dry wood or made cow dung cakes? How are they made? Do you know anyone who collects dry wood or leaves to be used for lighting a chalka? Have you seen this situation? Have you looked out or have you felt this situation? Who cooks food in your family? What about other families in your area? In your family, actually, our mother or grandmother like that only. They only will be cooking. But have you looked about other families who are all staying in the village? If they cook food using wood or upla means is just nothing, cow dung cake. Okay, what difficulties do they face due to smoke? If they are using the wood means so much of smoke will be affected by them and they may affect from cough or some other thing. Durga use anything else instead of food. Why not? Today about two-thirds people in our country use uppal, wood and dry twigs. These are used not only for cooking food but also for keeping warm, for heating water and for lighting. Many other things are also used for all activities at home: kerosene, LPG, coal, electricity. But who and all very poor, they are basically most of the people using wood only. Kancha had seen a bar chart in a book. The chart shows the number of houses out of 100 that use each type of fuel. It also shows the use of which fuel has increased and which fuel has decreased over the past 20 years. See, Kancha is a girl. She's a bar chart in a book. That bar chart shows that out of 100 houses how many everyone uses the fuel and which fuel rate has been increased and their use also increased, which has been decreased over the past 20 years. It has been given. See here, here how many houses out of 100 this side has been shown, and in the down it is a year they have mentioned, that is in 1976. Uppal and wood is 84 percentage, then LPG and kerosene 10, coal 5, electricity 1. But during 1996, uppal and wood have been decreased to 75 and LPG and kerosene has been increased to 18, coal 2, coal has been decreased, then electricity also increased. So in year 1976, out of 100 how many houses used uppal and wood? You can write out which was the fuel used the least in 1976, which fuel has been used in a least way. In 1976 LPG and kerosene were used in how many houses, and 1996 it is increased to how many? This means that 20 years their use has been increased by how many percentage? You can find. Then out of 100, how many houses were using electricity in 1996? Which fuel was used the least in 1996? What percentage of houses used it in the year 1976? We can find it out. And from your elders also you can ask some questions and you can find the answer from that. What are the questions you may ask means, when your mother or father is an young, what they be used to cook food at home? What type of fuel they have been used? In the past 10 years, use of which cooking fuel has been increased in your area? Use of which fuel has decreased? Guess the use of which fuel would increase and which would decrease in the next 10 years. What happens? That also you can guess it. See, from what we learned, from that they have given you some of the questions. You can think and write it down. Okay, students. Today we took the lesson what if it finishes. Our lesson has been completed, and from this I will ask you some questions in a Google form. Just attend it. All the best for your test. Okay, students, we'll meet in the next class.